How to make a napkin ring for your winter wedding. Hey guys, welcome back to Bride Society. I'm Rebecca and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these star napkin rings for your winter wedding or of course your Christmas tables. They can be used obviously in a couple of ways, just with cloth napkins, or there is another tutorial coming up on our channel where I show you how to make these Christmas trees out of napkins. So it's a napkin folding tutorial. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss that. You can of course add your guest names to the napkin rings so they act as a kind of personalized place setting as well. But for today I'm going to show you how to make this napkin ring. So if you want to make it with us, here's what you'll need. I'm going to do is make sure that my glue gun is heating up whilst we're doing the rest, so that'll be ready to go when we are. And then I'm going to grab my cardboard tube. As you can see, it's not super thick, but it is quite sturdy. You could use the inside of something like kitchen towel, kitchen paper roll. This is actually the inside of a Cricut roll of vinyl, so it is quite sturdy. That just really determines how long your napkin ring will last, in all fairness. So the first thing I'm going to do is measure my star. Obviously yours might be quite different from mine, so you decide how thick you need your roll. I'm going to say about 1¼ centimeters on mine. You probably want it to be as wide as possible, to be as sturdy as possible, but you don't really want it showing on either side. So I'm going to go for about 1¼ Then I'm going to get my tube. I'm going to make a little mark where I want to cut this. And I'm going to spin around to the other side, make a mark on the other side. Then this is where my elastic band hack or trick is going to come in. So because obviously it's a round surface, I felt like it was going to be easier to make sure that I don't go wonky is if I put this elastic band around where those lines are and make sure that's as straight as possible. So you can either hold that in place or twist it round. It's obviously going to take a little bit of finagling if you twist it round, but obviously then it will hold itself. So let's give that a try, see if I regret that decision. Okay, so once you're happy that that lower band is making a fairly straight line, you can go ahead and grab your Stanley knife or whatever you're using and apply pressure to cut around there. On my first pass, I'm mostly just scoring. And then on my second pass, I'm kind of pushing through. Then obviously you can remove your plastic band. And then as you can see, you have a fairly even ring. Then you're just gonna take your star and make sure it sort of fits as you've envisaged it. And I'm gonna put the blob of glue on the ring side rather than star so that I put the sort of correct amount on. And then hold in place for a few seconds just while it takes. And there you have it, you're all done. I hope you liked that tutorial. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments box below. You can, of course, go ahead and add a bit more personalization with your guests' names. I've done this with a Cricut machine, and I have got a short coming out showing you quickly how to make those as well. And don't forget to like the video if you did, and of course subscribe so you don't miss more content like this, including the napkin folding tree tutorial that's coming up in a couple of weeks.